Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker JBL Grip on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. Then click the search at the right bottom. And now you need to click at the search line. So if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, if you have previous version at the top. And write JBL Portable. Then search and you should install the application what's called JBL Portable. Now open the app. Get started. Accept. Allow. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. And we did it. In the next video I will show you how to add the speaker to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!